Alright, so let's say this. Gotta get a cool custom cursor. Say you are a Scratch coder, and you want to make a game like Flappy Bird. Check out this example. I'm recording, Percy. Please be quiet. Alright, sorry. Yeah, my cousin's staying today. Might be a bit loud. And I have this, and as you can see, the appearance. Well, okay. Well, as you can see, they're not changing right now. What the heck? That's as you can see, the appearance of the pipes shift, and then I have a retry button. So in case we export it to add the black setting or something. Project. And then I'm going to show you how to do something like this. All you want to create a project. Scratch. This is the first one with the thumb. Click that create button. And also, some people know that this thing isn't everywhere on the Scratch website. You can just get Furball, it's Chrome extension, get the new bar on every single part of the site. So you can name your part and to name it space cat 2 the planet. So what this is going to be. I don't like this cursor. I know. Sorry, I just want my videos to look good, you know? Like the cursor to be good. Alright, that looks pretty good if I ask myself. And I'm taking it on. Alright, so what I usually like to do is search up cat flying as a sprite. It is the costume, not word. Why the heck is there a discuss button? I do not want that. That just takes me to the discuss page. Discuss button off. I have okay. I like to size somewhere like about 75 or something like that. Something small so that cheap spikes to the pipes that we're gonna add. Dang it, 36. We go into the far left of the screen and make it wide. So now what I'm gonna do, make a new message right at the start, and I'm gonna do one. Out why the discuss button. I discussed forever about if then else if sensing else down trust you actually want to put that in your cat slimes and in your character sprite. You can make your own character. And I'm gonna make a just going to do something simple, which costs me much at 90 seconds.
You're dead! You're dead!
Stop, please. So, do you notice in small square mode there's like a weird clipping on the sprite? So I'm just gonna add a rectangle that is just perfectly outside of the sprite. You want to make it like outside of the sprite, so this I'm pretty sure this will affect collisions. In fact, I'm pretty sure it does affect collisions. Since it's a box, but with
Hey!
well, I'm recording, so please be quiet. Just be quiet for a few seconds, for a few minutes. Just trying to make it. Oh, even better yet, just delete this, then make and then duplicate it. Do that. So that's all of it. And I'll click on the guy and perfect duplicate. Make it a bit bigger, like that, but make it still transparent, outline transparent. So technically, you have a perfect where the heck is my box? So this is just to avoid nasty looking sprite, which is a bug that I hope will be fixed one day. Not, I'll always change it later. You can change y by and change y by -10. I'll be right back. I gotta go help my cousin open something right now. Right.
Hey!
Please, Percy, be quiet, please. I think this is perfect. This not y. Let's say y position -1. Let's say 6. Change y by 10. Oh yeah, and you also want to. After you want to make a new sprite, call it something and get ground so you die. You hit the ceiling or the ground. I'm gonna make it something a dreary. This is supposed to be another planet, right? Yeah, it is. So we're going to make it like this. It's good if you just make it, and then you want to do 0, 0. And now this is just going to be still. It's not going to be moving or anything. Just going to use one green flag clicked. Oh yeah, you don't want to put that one flag is clicked right there. You want to go into your backdrops and make a broadcast and name it green flag. Sorry about spelling. You want to do one flag is clicked broadcast green flag. So what this will do is it will serve as our green flag broadcast. So that way, in case we ever anything like stop the all sprites, we can easily make our sprites code run again by making a new button. I'm gonna do forever if touching touching it's at the top of the sensing group. Sorry about that. If touching cat flying, broadcast, broadcast news. Okay, if I can type correctly, that would be. Then I'm pretty sure we can stop other scripts and spread. RC news. So RC side. Right. We have our ground. And we need to do when I receive green flag show. Alright, so we kind of have a system where he dies if he loses. So he hits the ground. Now I'm going to call this pipe. Pipe. It's going to be the same color. Let this part be like that. And what you need to do is make I recommend making spikes so the player have to avoid spikes, and you might know how to make a triangle in Scratch. It's not that hard. GD's Geometry Dash spikes. I played Geometry Dash for a while and I quit, but I still play it. As you can see, this channel used to be a primary Geometry Dash channel. Look at my older videos. So then add one where it's a they don't need to one for the pipes for these two on. Just delete that. Convert it to bitmap. Then wants to make openings. So this forces the player to choose an opening, essentially. And none of these openings are going to be big enough, so trim the openings down a bit. Alright. And you want to do one green flag is clicked. Okay, no, not that. When I receive green flag. And switch costume. Costume 1. Actually, I'm going to do when I receive green flag is clicked. When I receive black. Forever, switch costume. To pick random from 1 to 3, go to yeah, so that looks good. Go to the far left of the screen, then glide, okay, and also you also want to do set. Go to 0, 0 to the So y random from negative 2. Really just to negative 40. Alright, so set y to pick, okay, not that, but to pick random um, from negative 52 to 40. So then glide 1, then, oh, yeah, I guess we could drag in a Y position block right here, and to far left, which should be 189. Yay! Uh-oh, that does not work at all. Oh, because it's going to 0, 0 to negative 189, so it actually... Oh, X... Oh yeah, you can also want to do to X... Just want to set X to 1, to 1, to the far left. For me, it's 189. It might be different. Alright. Oh yeah. And then in the same sprite, when green flag is clicked, forever, when I receive, like, forever. If touching the cat flying, if touching cat flying, then, hide, stop, sprite, then, and then broadcast loose. And it's still not gliding. Oh yeah, and you also want to make sure when I receive lose, stop. That is super weird. It's not doing anything. Okay, that is fast. Oh, probably because it's gliding to its own X position, negative 59. And maybe I should do pick random to to 2 to 4 seconds. Alright, so that's not gonna be, so I'm not gonna split up the series in multiple parts because I'm not a person like that. It really makes a game with this. Okay, so what did you do if it's really hard to do something, like, let's say, fit through that? You just want to make your sprite smaller. For example, I've set mine size 50. Alright, now I'm going to make a new variable. No, my dog is in here. Oh, no. Okay, let me just try and get my dog out of my room. Alright, so this thing. Sorry about that. Score. I'm gonna make a new variable. And it's score. Place it right there. Make a new variable. Make a new sprite. Name it score manager. So what this will do is that it will just it's going to check. So I'm gonna do when I receive green flag. Okay, so then you want to also go back into your pipe sprite. Whatever you named it. Then at the end of this loop, just delete the my variable first. So you want to transfer by 1. When I receive green flag, set score to 0, and when I receive set score, I'm just going to do, actually no, let's just do 0 since that may cause some issues with what I have planned. Let's see. And as you can see, we disappear. Pipes disappear. And I don't want it so that the ground just, that's weird, I cannot touch it at all. Oh yeah, increased hitboxes that I, so as you can see, it's not just one singular pipe, but it can be so random that it just picks the same pipe for however long you're playing. Oh. So we don't want to just do if mouse down since that could cause some issues and something. So take out the mouse down and put it in grab it 4 block, place it right here in the if then loop. If key space plus. Might as just do if key. Then I'm going to go into my backdrops to paint a backdrop. So I'll be right back. Alright, so what, I made 2 backdrops. One is the normal one, and this one. But then when I receive the switch backdrop to the screen, which for me is backdrop 2, then wait until key, whatever you have pressed. For me, it's the R. Until R key R pressed. Switch backdrop to backdrop 2, which for me is the broadcast big flag. So but yeah, you also want to do when I receive lose the type sprites hide. Alright, so here we go. It's a successful game and it works. But I'm pretty sure a lot of people were wondering, can we have a world record sprite? Okay, please give me a second, Percy. Please be quiet. I just need you to be quiet for a few more minutes, please. Please. Right. I'm going to name a world record, and I'm going to click cloud variable, store on server. If you notice that you can't be for this sprite only because it's going to be a data sprite, obviously. And I'll say that right here. I see green flag. I see green flag forever. If and some more block. If score is more than world record, to code you don't know basic math, so that's not going to be hard. Then set world record to score. So if I get that world record up there, I now have the world record. But as you can see, if I that's weird. It's not deciding to work. But okay, now it works. As you can see, the world record stays the same. Now, you might think, won't that just work for a normal variable? Well, the variable will be different for everybody. So cloud variables are the same for everybody. I'm going to see if I can. Alright. Can't wait to see what projects you will make. I will leave a Google form in the description so that you can send me your projects. Please. Okay, guys, bye. Sorry. He's Springtrap, okay? Okay, just let me end the video. Just let me end the video. I'll tell you in a second. Alright. Bye, guys. Sorry, guys, if I'm just my family. Bye.